I want to talk about Shiba Inu and answer or ask and answer the question, is the rally for Shiba Inu going to continue? Is it going to continue to move up? Do we have some downside pressure, some downside risk? And that's really, I think at the end of the day, the question we're all asking ourselves. And we're all asking ourselves about that same question about pretty much probably most of the coins and tokens we own, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and insert any really token or coin name here, right? We're all going to look around and going, is this like a fake out rally inside of what we all readily agree is a bear market right here, right now? And so that's what we're going to talk about. And as always, this video is for entertainment purpose only. And thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day. Let's get into this. Okay, so the bullish chart pattern for SHIB suggests that its rally may continue. Now, I would say that there are obviously technical analysis indicators that we're going to talk about here. But at the end of the day, for me, it always comes back down to, for SHIB right here, right now, outside of a major catalyst, which we don't have. There's not like the metaverse is coming out tomorrow, the game's coming out next week. We're in this period where SHIB being a top 15 crypto, it's going to move with the overall broad market, which goes back to my first question. Really, if you're thinking of SHIB, is it going to continue? Is the rally going to continue? What you really need to be asking yourself is the overall crypto market going to continue to move up, continue to be a rally, or is there downside risk there? And we're going to talk about that, okay? So from a TA perspective, right here, right now for SHIB, between June 19th and 25th, there was a 34% move up. That is a massive move up. It did form a flagpole in the consolidation in the form of higher lows and lower highs. Okay, which is good. You want that, right? It created that classic kind of flagpole, chart action, if you will. Okay, so the bullish technical formation forecast a 34% upswing right now to 154. Okay, so let's take a look right now where we're at in the current situation, 1188. So we have a short-term possible move up to 154 per the technical analysis, the TA indicators. All right, because of the price action, the chart action that's being presented. Okay. Now, what I also want to talk about here, though, is I want to zoom out and I want to talk about the overall broad market. So remember, we had the CPI inflation data come out last Wednesday, and it wasn't good. We were expecting 8.8%. This is in the United States, by the way. This is the inflation report. We were expecting 8.8. We got 9.1. It was a 1.3% increase. The vast majority of that increase was driven by the higher cost of gas. Okay. And gas has started to come down in price, but that drove that 9.1% number. Now, here's why that's important. And this is important to SHIB because it's important to all of crypto. All right. So on July 26th, approximately 7 days from now, we have the Federal Reserve is going to meet, and they're meeting to decide if, but really from how much, they're going to raise the federal interest rate. The expectation, because of the CPI data report that I just gave you, is that they're going to raise it 75 basis points. If they raise it, which is in line with the expectations, the X factor here, guys, is the inflation data report was worse than we were expecting. Okay. And so the question that's on the table that everybody's asking themselves, or you should be asking yourselves, is the Fed going to leave the raise at 75 basis points, which we're pretty much expecting, or are they going to raise it 100 basis points? If they raise it 75, I think that's built into the market. The market's expecting this, stock, crypto, et cetera. It's expecting this. And by the way, this is relevant because crypto is impacted by this inflation report and by the Federal Reserve, what they do. If they raise it 100 basis points, you can expect some significant move down, okay? And so with that said, excuse me, my nose is itching. So this matters to Shiba Inu. It does, guys. It matters to Shiba Inu because SHIB being a top 15 crypto, it moves along with the entire market cap, with the entire market. When it green candles, it green candles. When the market moves down dramatically, SHIB moves down. Now, I think the lowest side risk for SHIB is down, losing a 0 and going back to an 8, going back. So not a massive move down, But you've got to remember that Bitcoin and Ethereum have some risk. Bitcoin still has risk of maybe dropping to say 14, 15,000. Ethereum still has risk of maybe dropping to 6 to 800 in that area. There is still risk there per what we're seeing in the overall macroeconomic conditions out there: inflation, fear of recession, global global COVID supply chain issue impacts. We're still dealing with all this. Russia Ukraine war, all this is still there. It's still there. It has not gone away. Okay, so again, I'm not trying to be the voice of doom and gloom here. I'm just trying to make sure that you understand the bigger picture and its impact on Shiba Inu. All right. So keep your eye out. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel. I cover SHIB and a bunch of other stuff every single day. And I'm here to help you navigate crypto and just make a little bit more money in crypto with better information at your fingertips. I'll see you. Have a good one.